KL57LXM. No hands on the steering wheel. Finally, just to steer again to straighten up. Her phone was opening on some sort of thumbprint reader. Making payments, some kind of bank account. NatWest.
You touched my car!
I didn't touch your car, and even if I did, so what? You're touching my bike.
You touched my car! You're touching my car!
What?
You're touching my car!
You're pushing a door into me.
You're touching my car!
Why were you using your phone?
Criminal damage.
Carry
the
on.
lights are red, my handbrake's on. It's not against the law.
Well, we'll leave the
my
police to
car?
decide that.
Why are you touching my car?
We'll leave the police to decide
Why
that.
are you touching my car?
Ah, hush yourself, you and your attitude.
Touching my car?
Let's see what we got there. G18AKE. Go on, what? So here's what I'm going to do, right? Why are you driving at me?
It's alright, don't worry.
So you know what's going to happen, right? So number one, I'm going to report that to the police. Number two, your number plate will be searchable in YouTube. Very shouty one. On her phone. Attitude, huh? Yeah, I'm not surprised because she kept leaving gaps, right? You have a good day, my friend. That one was a little shouty.
That's that guilt, that is.
Yes.